It's all changed for the iPhone dock connector. The longer 30-pin port for charging and plugging into speaker docks has been downsized on the iPhone 5 to a much smaller 8-pin Lightning port. The new look connector will have improved durability, has a reverse design so you don't have to worry about which way you plug in the USB cable, and is 80% smaller than the old one. Apple have said they made the decision to introduce the new connector so they could fit more tech in under the hood. But don't fret about all your old-sized iPhone accessories becoming obsolete. You'll be able to buy an adapter for £25 once the next-gen iPhone hits stores this September.